So here's an absolutely beautiful custom-made waterfall, the sort of thing that Universal Rocks does, and it's just basically in a little outdoor courtyard in a pub. Just a gorgeous way of doing up an area. It just looks absolutely like real rock, but this particular stuff is made out of concrete. It's masterfully done, and this little waterfall just creates beautiful ambience in the area, and is got a top-up system on it, so then as it evaporates out, it tops itself up. Just reduces the maintenance by one more factor.